Bigumanti. This Jamaican Patois phrase has become a popular slang worldwide, and as a result, it seems to have gained a few different meanings outside of Jamaica. In this lesson, I will teach you what it means in Jamaican Patois and how it is generally used and understood by Jamaicans.
Come and me teach you Patwa now.
Hello everyone, welcome to Shan's Patwa Academy, Jamaican Patois Simplified. My name is Shan, your Jamaican Patois teacher from Jamaica. Bigumanti is a slang that originated in Jamaica. In Jamaican Patois, a big man is an adult man, but sometimes this can refer to adults in general or a grown person. Ting is equivalent to thing in English. So, Bigumanti could mean things concerning adults, adult matters, grown people's business, not childish, and so on. As a slang in Jamaica, Bigumanti usually means seriously, honestly, truthfully, no joke, etc. In some cases, you might also hear the phrase Bigumanti, and this phrase means the same thing but is sometimes used by women or by men if they are asking a woman if she is being honest or if she is being serious. So now that you know the definition, how can you use this phrase? I will teach you 4 example sentences of how you can use this in Jamaican Patois. Number 1. A big man thing we are deal with right now. A big man thing we are deal with right now. Now this could be translated to mean we are concerned with grown people's affairs at the moment. Now in this example, big man thing means grown people's business. Now, in the following example, I will show you how it's used as a slang that means honestly or seriously and so on. Number 2. Big man thing still, you should do that, brother. Big man thing still, you should do that, brother. Now, this means honestly, you shouldn't have done that. And if you notice the still used here after big man thing, this is a feature of Jamaican Patois. It's just used for emphasis. It doesn't really have a meaning right there. So it could have been big man thing, you should do that, brother, and it would mean the same thing. But we tend to use still in Jamaican Patois. And the brother at the end is the person the speaker is referring to. Brother can mean brother, but in this case, it doesn't necessarily mean that. It could just mean that that's the term this person uses to refer to the person. It can be a friend or an acquaintance. More than likely, it's a friend, though. A friend in the same age range as the speaker. Number 3. You know, say me not trust that you the do Bigumanti. You know, say, me not trust that you there do Bigumanti. So this can mean, I don't trust that man seriously. You know, say, in Jamaican Patois means, you know that. Or do you know that? And me not trust that you, me not trust means I don't trust. That you, the do means that youth, though, or that person. And then Bigumanti, and like I said before, Bigumanti means the same thing as Bigumanti. The only thing that changes is usually the speaker. And Bigumanti, not a lot of people use it, but it's used. And number 4, me hear say you left the boy. Bigumanti, me hear say you left the boy. Bigumanti, and this means I heard that you broke up with the boy or with the man. Is it true? And left the boy in Jamaican Patois means to break up or to leave somebody, to leave the boy. But it can be a boy and it can be a young man and it can be a man. It doesn't really matter, but that's generally the term. And here, Bigumanti in the question form is kind of like asking, is it true? Me hear say you left the boy. Bigumanti, I heard that you broke up with the man. Is it true? So that's another way of using it. Now, as I said before, Bigumanti has gained some different meanings outside of Jamaica, but generally, this is how it is largely used in Jamaican Patois. And this is how it is largely understood by Jamaicans. Now, if you made it this far in the video, thank you so much for watching. And why not leave a comment using Bigumanti in the comment section below? Also, if you found this lesson helpful and you would like to support this channel, you can do so by purchasing a super thanks in the comment section. I would really appreciate that. Also, please check out some of the other videos that are on this channel.
Are the bell that? Class done, you know. Take care of yourself, Zine. Please like, share, and subscribe. And please hit that notification bell so that you may be notified every time when I upload a video. Also, please follow me on Instagram for daily Jamaican Patois vocabulary. Are the bell that? Class done, you know. Take care of yourself, Zine.